Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to log in Land Rover Finance. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Land Rover Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo or this link. Click on it. Now on the top right corner, you can see sign in option. Click on it. Now you'll need your username and your password to log in, so type in your username. Now type in your password. If you click on this box, then you are ensuring that you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as on check. If you have forgot your username or your password, you can click on this link and recover it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up now and create a new account. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Land Rover Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.